house in a yard of foreign. Yeah, they done solid. Top cap of them, you see a top cap of them. Now below house and them can't buy a bed. I
trying until me get that flying. Now stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning. We give thanks to life and we give thanks to another day. And I Lionfoot today out in the streets. So me I say, yeah, man. Lionfoot TV. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Lionfoot, man of peace. Yo, we are telling us right over there at Shabwest right now towards the gym. Not J-I-M, you know, G-Y-M. See, so no man that tell me nothing but wipe on the gym. Yo, you see why I be there at Shabwest. You know, I say, yo, life for the greatest gift. I big up everybody on the platform. Yo, I want to do vlog and big up Squash. Big up Squash, because when I'm in trouble, you know, we cover it same way. When them name, speculation around his name and all of them things there. We touch on the topic. Brother. Man, good? Yeah, man, so. You know? Where Squash find the song to blood clot. Where you know about Squash? 50 grand, that. Yeah.
What you know about Squash? What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch you.
Yeah, man, big up Squash. Please do remember to go and check out the single Now Stop Try. Say it? Yeah, out on all platforms. My song that said, yeah, man.
Now stop trying. Fly low, fly high.
There's it. Yeah, man, so Squash find the song. Squash find the song. Big Breeze. Big Breeze, what you know about? 6 real, don't fuck with the team. You see me? Hey boy, what you know about Squash? If the 80 grand, let me pay for the watch. US. We arrive for me put on the block. Bloop, bloop, bloop. 6 in your town, so you push up on the bat. Morning, Prince. Yeah, man, morning. Yes, man, we're there, man, you know? Prince, the Prince and Genius Butchers. You know? Yeah. Jamaican owned business. You know, come and get your meat and them thing there. You see me I say anything? Yeah, see it? I'm all putting there from Jamaica too, you know? Yeah. You see it, so. Yeah, man, Squash. Nothing a lie. And people write off Squash. You know what I mean? I say, yo, the man now come on the road and this and that and all of the bad negative thing then. You see me? The man come find the song and Squash, I'm telling you something, Squash can't broke. In my views and my eyes, Squash is 6 bars. In can't broke. I remember when the man burst on the scene. Music. Once you get into the music, one song can change your life. So when you hear people that say Squash broke and this and that, nothing like that. You see me? I don't know nothing about him other activities like the scamming also. We don't know nothing about that. Even though him name surround that as well. We don't know nothing about that. But differently in a music. Yeah, man, differently in a music, man. When you make it in a music, man, change your life. One song can change your life, and that is why I say I and I now stop try. You see me? Now stop try because we know once we get that opportunity, that one song there, life change. So the young artists them go on, big up the whole of the young artists and Roger Wild, Craft and all of them. They must do them thing, they must sing them song whether it's slack or rude or what. They must do them thing. And I win. You see me? And big up Russian too. For make it possible for your voice the young artists them too. You see me? Enough producers will go around and enough of them feel and itch for record me. Because they say, boy, I'm a you're talented, you know, but the artists them be too bad boy, yeah, them ungrateful. I may understand. You see me, that's why I still have to big up Casper. Yeah, because Casper never itch to record me and work with me, you know. Yeah, and you see me, I'm there running and observe and learn a lot, you know what I mean? So big up Casper. Is it? Yeah, man, but Yeah man, Squash, this song bad double. Everywhere I go me hear this song, you know, every car, Squash. Me I tell you what you'll find it. You're double rich. Double rich or triple rich or, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in England, yeah. Everywhere you go you hear the Squash play, Big Breeze. Big Breeze and the killer them out and the 6 wheel, fuck about to the 16.
Woof, Big Breeze, man in a them town, yeah, the 6 reel.
You don't know about Squash? You think I know me pay for me watch? Blood clot, bad. Already bad. You see it? Yes, my people bad, but I'm not tell the lie still. But we go Squash. You know what I mean? Just go on their music, Papa, and you know what I mean? Stay out of trouble. That's what I say. And do the right thing. Stay away from the negativity and don't push violence. That is just my thing. That's what I say. That is just me I say that. You know what I mean? Because we can't take the violence in St. James. You know the St. James capital right now has the most crime rate. The youth them down there about say that down there. And we want the crime to stop, you know what I mean? But you know, Squash said I'll be alright if you put on the block. You see them and them music they go on there, man. We are going to sing a little culture song them, man. You think that them they are going away? The time changed. The culture playing, I big up the culture artists them like myself, you know, but when I do the culture song them and the positive song, they're not going away, man. Do something about me and sucking and gun and then sitting there. And you see how quick your career propelled, how quick you excel. You see me? So Byron Messiah have a next one there. He go do 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 do. Up stumble like ding ding this ding do 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 do. So that good. You see me? Gone again. And I gun them a sing about. So right now that's what me I pray now. You come again do it. Enough of them songs that me have, you know. Enough of them songs that me have. Put them on years. That's what I'm supposed to go like a Taliban. And I'm not afraid of nobody, man. Be a big gun there, they're going to lobby, man. I remember they write them song and I sing them song there. Back in them time there. Oh, yet. You know, I wasn't encouraged to sing them because I never my style. I know our culture, I beat the turban, you know what I mean? But right now, nobody people who tell us they don't sing them song, they them same one now support you. So right now, switch up the thing right now and go brawling. Yeah, me and the girl them darling. Good fuck make them fall in love. Alright. We have the song here with the daddy. Maybe I tell the kids that quick. What do you feel like some? For just go all out and done. Let me know if I forgot all out and done. Let me know, say. Let me know if I forgot all out and done. Come here the song them. Right now my head cheap like brick. You know my baby me have a thick white cheek. You like it? Let me know if I forgot. I want to say, go all out and stay positive. Because people say stay positive and them say man now support the thing. But anyway, big up Squash. What you know about Squash? Song bad no bumbo clot. Big up yourself Squash, yeah man. The song go on. Everywhere, every car, every vehicle, every boombox, a 6 bars I play. So for me, Squash, take the summer, yeah. Big Breeze. Yeah, but a lion foot the man a face. Blessed.
Non-stop trying until the day I die.
Them pussy nah no cash.